Boom! JK Ventures back at it again!
Hi guys.
You already know what it is. It's October. We do the Oktoberfest every year. And this year is going to be a little special.
You want to know why? Because we're volunteers, mother.
That's right. We're volunteering this year at the Oktoberfest on Lantana, American German Club. If you're familiar, you know, you know. We decided, you know what? We should give back to the community because the community gives back to us. You know, it's always good to support your locals. I always say that in every video that I do local stuff, but we're doing our part to make the world better. One day at a time. This is where we're gonna be posted up. JK Adventures! We in the booth. Look at us. Oktoberfest. Ah!
Oh my God.
2019, baby. This is how we're doing. Booth life. I see that. Sips and sales. Sips and sales. Get it.
That's good, right?
Yo. I have never worked that hard in my life.
Can you believe we were actually working? No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, we're like those rich YouTubers that never have to work a day in their life.
Just kidding. We have normal jobs. You guys know this.
But I'm gonna have to say, and I agree with Juanita, we had the conversation before we started to film. I was pretty satisfied with that.
I enjoyed it. I don't know. You guys aren't really gonna see too many clips because we were busy.
Oh my God, it was so difficult
Like,
for me to even get one little time lapse. I tried to time lapse. I got like a 5-minute film that you'll see. We'll pop it up of us working. And these people, boy, when you ain't got tickets, they be getting angry. I just wait in line. Okay.
Listen, we got
Congratulations, things happen.
We got so busy, we ran out of tickets so fast.
Super cool, volunteered, like I said. Make sure you guys support your community. Do whatever local charities and events that you can do to help out. Everyone appreciates the love and support. You guys already saw we got our drinks on, so we're gonna go back to Oktoberfest. We're gonna get some food. We're waiting for a few friends, and we're gonna continue the party.
Yeah, exactly. Like, we had a great time. Like, I really enjoyed it, and I would definitely come back next year.
Yeah, for sure.
To do the volunteering.
Yeah,
it
exactly.
was so much
I mean,
fun.
it's good perks.
Yeah.
You volunteer, you get good perks.
I could put this on my resume, right?
Shh, I'm putting this on my resume.
Sales expert, check.
Y'all already know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Show some love. You know, I'm a real big supporter of all the love, but stay tuned for, what, a montage?
Yeah, probably like a montage type stage, because once we go in there, it's kind of like
it's loud.
Game over. Oh,
it's loud.
Oh,
oh, that too. It's game over. It's already it's already game over. What are you talking about? Oh, what are we doing?
Meeting final.
So I don't know. Juanita gets really mad when she doesn't get food in her system. That's the true face of happiness.
food just makes you so happy.
my goodness! You brought